Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a reliable, high-performance whole home mesh system designed for seamless Wi-Fi coverage, the Linksys Atlas Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, model MX20MS3. If you're dealing with dead spots, slow connections, or inconsistent Wi-Fi during streaming, gaming, or working from home, this is an affordable and powerful upgrade for any household. This 3-pack system is built on the 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 standard, which offers improved speed, better bandwidth handling, and stronger signal penetration. With a combined speed rating of AX3000 up to 3.0 Gbps, it's designed to handle busy homes where multiple people are streaming, gaming, attending video calls, and downloading large files all at once. The 3 nodes create a unified mesh network that covers up to 6,000 square foot, making it ideal for medium to large houses, multi-floor homes, and apartments with thick walls. Whether you're working in your bedroom, watching movies in the living room, or gaming in the basement, the Atlas system ensures your connection remains stable and fast as you move from room to room. This mesh system supports over 75 devices at the same time. Thanks to Wi-Fi 6 technologies like OFDMA and MU-MIMO, each device gets efficient, consistent bandwidth without bogging down the network. That means smoother 4K streaming, low latency gaming, better performance for smart home devices, and more reliable video conferencing. Setup is simple using the Linksys app. Just plug in the nodes, connect to your modem, and follow the guided instructions. The app also provides parental controls, guest network options, device prioritization, and real-time monitoring to help you keep your network organized and secure. The hardware design is clean and compact. These nodes blend nicely into any home environment and stay cool and quiet even during heavy usage. With automatic firmware updates and secure WPA3 encryption, the network stays protected without requiring extra effort. If you're looking for a mesh Wi-Fi system that balances speed, coverage, reliability, and user-friendly features, the Linksys Atlas Wi-Fi 6 MX20MS3 is a strong contender. It's perfect for homes filled with smart devices and heavy internet usage. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. Don't forget to buy through the link below and subscribe for more daily reviews.